Welcome back to our channel Designs by Riveras. Today we're going to show you an eye tutorial, so stay all the way until the end and enjoy this video. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, share and like. With a clean and moisturized face, we're going to start by shaping out the eyebrows. Doing this process, it will help you create your eye look much easier and faster. This is one of our favorite eye primer base. This is P. Louise base, Rumor 04. As you can see, we're using just a little bit amount and we're just making sure we blend each eye so there will be no streak or line before we add the eyeshadow product. When working with colors or high pigmented eyeshadows, these eyeshadow shields are our best friend, and I truly recommend this because this is a lifesaver and it helps you do the process without worrying to go back and fix it. So you're doing everything at once. We're using the Revolution X Alexis Stone Instinct palette, and we're starting with shade number 2. Using shade number 23, we're going to go over the same process as we did previously. Using the same shade, we're going to apply this at the bottom eyelid. It's time for the cut crease. Using NYX white eyeshadow base, we're using a good amount of product. You don't need to be generous. Before we apply the color, we make sure everything is blended and in the shape that we wanted. We're going to use the color number 1 from Alexis Stone from the inner eye all the way into the middle only, and then after that we're going to apply the Neon UV pigment from Moon on the color Pigment Shaker Yellow. Follow with the other shade. We're using the green color from Moon UV Pigment Shaker, and we're adding this on the center to the outer eye. We strongly recommend to always blend and clean the area of the eye before adding any additional color. Playing around with the green shades and neon color, I have to tell you, I'm very satisfied and pleased how this is looking. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. This Inklet eyeliner gel never fails. It's precise, easy to use, it dries fast, and best of all, it lasts you a long time. For today, my beautiful people, I hope you enjoyed this look just like we did. Let us know what you think. Do you like it? You don't like it? And after seeing this video, are you starting to like the green? And remember, you can always recreate this look and any other colors of your preference. Well, let us know in the comments down below. We cannot wait to hear from you, and let us know what other things you would like us to create. And for now, we will see you in our next video. Bye.